Hi, in this video I'm going to describe how data can be shared on Sentek's IrriMAX Live platform. First I'm going to show you how to share your own data, and later on I'm going to show you how you can share data of users who you've set up. So to start off with, I'm logged in as the end user of the probe. If I then go to my account, this My Files folder is what I'm going to share. So down here I'm going to grant these users full access to my files. So I want to grant my consultant who's going to be looking at my data and updating my refill points, and grant them full access. So their name is Ian Consultant. Their username I've got off them is consult. And then I want to grant my neighbour read-only access so they can see my data but they can't edit or change anything on there. So their name happens to be Tony Neighbour. So update. I'm now sharing with those two people. Now I'll just remove those two so I can show you the next step. So if you want to take anyone off at any time. Okay, so I'm going to sign out of this account, sign back in as the distributor. So okay, so you can see that Jay Smith has set up all of these users already, and that's why they're showing up on his home screen. So if I want to share the data of Jenny Farmer with the others, go into users, Jenny Farmer, scroll down and you see I've got the same screen and just do the same thing. So share with the consultant, full access, and share with the neighbour just the read-only access. Now that's done. So lastly, I'll just log out and show what the view would be like if you were the consultant. So, and you see as a consultant you log in and there appears Jenny Farmer's data. There's nothing in my files because I don't have any probes directly associated with myself as the consultant. I'm just consulting for those who've bought probes. And under Jenny Farmer, there's the graph. I can go in and I can download it into IrriMAX desktop, and I can set full points. I can place rulers, place comments, anything like that. So that is a quick overview on how to share data within IrriMAX Live. And finally, if you're ever unsure of anything when setting up users, you can always look for the question mark, which gives you all the help menu. To accommodate the different needs and different levels of customers and the different organisations that IrriMAX Live needs to be able to work for, there's an additional way of being able to share data between users. I'm going to show you now. So I'm logged in under the distributor account where the databases are kept. So I go into My Files, then into Databases, and in here I just want to bring up my database list. So I can see that I've got 4 databases in there at the moment, and I'm going to say that this number 1 belongs to Jenny Farmer. So let's just say that I think Jenny is competent in IrriMAX Live, that she needs to be able to create her own graphs and be able to set their own map location. So I'm going to give her control of that database. I'm going to assign that to her. So pick her out of my users list. So you can only do it to users that you've created with databases that you own. And hit OK. And it'll update, and you'll see now there's a little icon there showing that that database has been assigned to someone else. if I sign out and then sign back in as Jenny Farmer, now when I go into my files as Jenny into databases, where before there was no databases, I can now see that that demo 01 looks as if it belongs to Jenny.
Thanks for listening.